Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we've got something really exciting for all you outdoor enthusiasts: the INTEX Excursion Pro K2 Inflatable Kayak. This kayak is making waves in the world of water sports, and in this video, we're going to tell you everything you need to know about it. We'll cover its features, performance, and why it might just be the best fishing kayak out there. So, grab a seat, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the features that make the Excursion Pro K2 stand out. This kayak is constructed with super tough PVC, featuring a 3-ply laminate construction. This not only ensures durability but also provides superior resistance to abrasion, impacts, and sunlight. Inflation is a breeze, thanks to the high-pressure inflation capability and the spring-loaded valves. And when you're done for the day, deflation is fast and easy. The Excursion Pro K2 offers plenty of storage space in both the bow and stern. It even has stainless steel D-rings for securing your dry bags and gear. What's more, it comes with a fantastic set of accessories. You get two 86-inch aluminum oars, two detachable fishing rod holders, an adjustable GoPro camera and mobile phone mount, a high-output pump for easy inflation, and even a repair patch just in case. As for paddling, it glides smoothly through the water. It's designed for 1 or 2 persons, with a weight capacity of 220 pounds. I found it comfortable, and the adjustable bucket seats did the job just fine. But don't just take my word for it. Let's check out what other users are saying about the Excursion Pro K2. As you can see, it's received a lot of positive feedback. Users have praised its stability, durability, and the value it offers for the price. Many have had great fishing experiences with it. While the included paddles are decent, some users have opted to upgrade to longer paddles for improved performance. You can also replace the inflatable seats with aftermarket foam seats for extra comfort and reliability. In conclusion, the INTEX Excursion Pro K2 Inflatable Kayak is a fantastic choice for outdoor enthusiasts, especially those who enjoy fishing. It's packed with features, performs well on the water, and offers excellent value for the price. So, if you're looking for a versatile and affordable kayak that can handle your adventures, the Excursion Pro K2 might just be the perfect fit. And remember, you can find all the information and links in the video description below. That's it for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or want to see more reviews like this, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy paddling, and stay tuned for more exciting product critiques here on Product Critique.